video some months ago. I showed in the last video where I thought I had laid this out good enough to drill it. Well, I didn't. It's laid out perfect now. What I ended up having to do was, you can see a black spot there, a little black spot there, a big black spot here, and a black spot over here. I ended up putting this piece in my vertical flat lap. I've got a table that I can sit things on and have them perfectly square to the actual lap. And that's what I did. I squared this back up, and now it's really got 90-degree sides on it. I've got a new center hole on it. Hopefully you can see that. And it's going to end up balancing out pretty perfect. I'll turn this off and then come right back. I'll give you an idea of exactly how big I think this bead's going to end up being. Okay, I just want to grab my calipers and measure this millimeter size. It's going to end up being 15.3 millimeters, which is a little over 600 thousandths of an inch. Okay, now as long as I get my hole pretty dead center on my X right there, I'm assuming this thing won't get much less than, if it's 600 right now, I'm going to say if I lose 25 thousandths, that'd make it 575. So we'll see how close I get to center by the finished size of the bead. I'll go ahead and get it drilled, and I'll have a good idea how centered it is once it's drilled, and I'll be coming back. Thanks.